In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a crypto wallet address on crypto.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, knowing how to locate your wallet address is a crucial skill, helping you to receive funds securely and efficiently. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're all set up. First things first, you need to either open the crypto.com app on your smartphone or navigate to crypto.com exchange using your web browser on a PC. This initial step is crucial because it's the first gateway into accessing your cryptocurrency account. It's just like logging into your bank account, you need to be in the right place to access your finances. Once you've launched the app or website, the next step is to log into your account. Use your registered email and your secure password to sign in. Keep in mind, it's always good practice to ensure you're in a secure and private environment when logging into financial apps to protect your sensitive information. After successfully logging in, the interface will guide you to what they call accounts on the app or wallet if you're on a PC. This is essentially where you can get an overview of all your crypto holdings. Think of it like opening your wallet and reviewing how much cash or how many cards you have. Next, you need to select the particular cryptocurrency for which you wish to find the wallet address. For example, say you're dealing with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Browse through your list of crypto holdings and tap or click on the cryptocurrency of your choice. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address, which is why it's essential to be specific about which one you're focusing on. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, look for an option labeled Receive or Deposit. Clicking or tapping on this will essentially take you to a screen where your wallet address is revealed. This usually pops up as a long string of seemingly random letters and numbers. This is your wallet address, a crucial piece of information you'll use to receive cryptocurrencies from other people or platforms. When you see your wallet address, the easiest way to keep it secure and ready for use is to simply copy it. Most apps and websites allow you to do this with a simple tap or click. And finally, there's an optional but very helpful feature available, the QR code. You can use this QR code to share your wallet address conveniently. By simply allowing someone to scan this code with their smartphone, you've easily shared the information without having to mess around with long strings of text. It's a fantastic way to make transactions smoother and more user-friendly. There you have it. With these steps, you'll have no trouble finding and sharing your crypto wallet address on crypto.com. Be sure to triple check any addresses before transacting, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.